It's a topic that came to light in print, online, and on television.
A CNN investigation has uncovered a pattern of alleged inappropriate behavior by legendary actor Morgan Freeman, both on set and at his production company.
It started with allegations in Hollywood and crossed over into countless work environments.
An elder statesman of the House now coming under scrutiny, and Senator Al Franken facing a second accuser,
including those expected to uphold a higher legal and moral standard.
Let me say with no hesitation that sexual harassment is against the law and has no place in the office or the courtroom.
The Ohio Supreme Court and State Bar Association recently hosted a first-of-its-kind training seminar where more than 500 judges and lawyers from around Ohio attended in person and watched throughout the state as Supreme Court Chief Justice Maureen O'Connor laid the groundwork
to change the conversation on sexual harassment, to protect victims from being silenced or penalized, to ensure inappropriate conduct will be reported and properly addressed.
While there are obvious cases of inappropriate workplace behavior,
if you look stressed, maybe one of my world-famous shoulder rubs will help.
The session used multiple staged vignettes to stress varying kinds of harassment.
Your Honor, there is one more thing. I would like to request that we move the trial date back a few months. I'm currently expecting and will still be on maternity leave during the date that we have set.
No, listen, the court can't possibly schedule around everything that's going on in attorneys' personal lives. I mean, I'm sorry, but you'll just have to figure it out.
Thinking back on it, have probably witnessed in courtrooms and in lawyers' offices behavior that, I, in retrospect, wish I would have spoken up and said, that's not okay.
The reenactments registered on a much deeper level after some of the women in the audience shared their personal histories with harassment.
It was really, really impactful to hear that, and they were really brave for standing up and sharing that.
The reality of how harassment can affect any judge or lawyer was stressed in a call for systemic change and empowering witnesses to speak up.
We need to really stop asking the question of how do we not end up in a lawsuit, so to speak, not we as the court, but anybody, but rather how do we really have cultures where not just someone becomes a victim or someone potentially victimizes, but all of us have a role as bystanders.
I'm Chaba Sukost for Court News Ohio.